Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let's discuss on the title, a hybrid approach to detect and localize text in natural scene images. The existing method of text detection and localization can be roughly categorized into two groups, region-based and connected component-based. Region-based method attempt to detect and localize text region by texture analysis. Generally, a feature vector extracted from each local region is fed into the classifier for estimating the likelihood of text. Then neighboring text regions are merged to generate text blocks. Because text regions have distinct textual properties from non-text ones, these methods can detect and localize text accuracy even when images are noisy. On the other hand, CC-based method directly segment can detect component by edge detection or color clustering. The non-text component are then pruned with heuristic rules or classifiers. Since all number of segmented candidates is relatively small, the CC-based methods have lower computational costs and the located text components can be directly used for recognition. Although the existing methods have reported promising localizing performance, there still remain several problems to solve. For region-based method, the speed is relatively slow and the performance is sensitive to text alignment orientation. On the other hand, CC-based methods cannot segment text component accurately without prior knowledge of text position and scale. Moreover, designing fast and reliable connected component analyzer is difficult since there are many non-text components which are easily confused with the text when analyzed individually. So to overcome the above difficulty, we present a hybrid approach to robustly detect and localize text in natural scene images by taking advantages of both region-based and connected component-based method. Since local region detection can robustly detect unseen text even in noisy images, we design a text region detector to estimate the probabilities of text position and scale, which helps segment candidate text component with an efficient local binarization algorithm. To combine this unary component properties and binary contextual component relationship, a conditional random field model with supervised parameter learning is proposed. Finally, these text components are grouped into text lines or words robustly with the energy minimization method. Let's have a discussion on the data flow diagram. Regarding the data flow diagram, you have to select an input image and convert it into grayscale and then subject it to pre-processing. In pre-processing, there are three steps, namely text region detector, confidence map and scale map, and then image segmentation. This text region detector is designed by integrating a widely used feature descriptor algorithm which is called as histogram of oriented gradients and a boosted cascade classifier. Depending upon the classification, a confidence map is being built up to represent the input image and it is subjected to segmentation where a local binarization strategy is made to segment the image. Next, you have to proceed your output segmented result to connected component analysis in order to label each component whether a text or non-text. Then you have to group the text in the step called as text grouping. After text grouping, you have to output the localization results by drawing a rectangle. So now let's discuss on the execution procedure of the program. Regarding execution of the program, select main_text.m and press run file. As it is designed as an M file, you can select any one of the images from the dialog box shown here. The input image, pre-processed, image pyramid, segmentation and scale maps are shown one by one. The remaining part of the execution program will take some time. Now the results are being displayed. This is the sharpened edge image. This is one of the projections and this is vertical projection pixels and latest horizontal projection pixels. Then this is the binarization output. After training and after classifying, you will be getting a box around the text region of the image. So in this paper, we present a hybrid approach to localize scene text by integrating region information into robust CC-based method. The binary contextual component relationship In addition to the unary component properties are integrated in a CRF model whose parameters are jointly optimized by supervised learning. Our experimental results demonstrated that the proposed method is effective in unconstrained scene text localization in several aspects. The region-based information is very helpful for the text component segmentation and analysis. Incorporating contextual component relationship, the CRF model differentiates text components from non-text components better than local classifier. Joint optimization of base classifier parameters with CRF is beneficial, and the learning-based energy minimization method can group the text component into text lines robustly. Thank you.